In this stock analysis video, I will show you the trade setup I'd be looking for from Netflix, Boeing, NVDA, Carnival Cruise Line, and Delta Airline. Here's a setup that I'd be looking for on Netflix tomorrow. I'm essentially looking to short Netflix, and it came up to this trend line here. This resistance also came up to this low volume zone around 430 and got rejected. Right now it's coming down to this composite point of control here, somewhere around that 421 area. If it falls below the 421 and break this trend line, be looking to see a short coming down to somewhere around between 413 and 408. That would be an initial target, essentially coming down to this trend line here. The reason that I'm looking for short is as the economy is reopening, people be going back to work and that sort of thing, then the Netflix will probably lose some of its audience. Here I'm looking at Boeing. Again, I'm looking for Boeing to break below this trend line and come down to this 116 because it's been bumping up against this resistance here. So right now it's also been trying to hold the support, and it is in confluence with this zone here, this value area, this composite value area. So I'm basically looking for this thing to probably break down and come down to fill this gap here, this low gap here, and that will get into this low volume zone near the 116. On NVDA been riding on this trend line here, and it came up to this 300 level, up at this balance area here, this high volume area. Basically, it's this right here on this composite, and got a nice bounce off of this trend line here and came up to this 300 level, and right now it's backing off. So I'm looking for this thing to come back and retrace back down to this area here and possibly break this value area, get down to this 275 and try to get toward the 263, this composite point of control. Carnival Cruise Line, it seems to be coming down to this composite point of control here, somewhere around this $12 area. So if we could stay above this trend line here, then maybe we could see it to work itself back up to this 16 area here. But if it break this point of control, this composite point of control, be looking for testing this, these low down here near the $8 level. All right, Delta Airlines seems to be breaking below this consolidation area here. We'll probably be seeing it to maybe come down and check these levels somewhere around the $20 before we may see a bounce back up. Because essentially it has coming down to the edge of this value area low, this composite value area here. So we'll see, we'll get a bounce here somewhere and look for a long setup to come back up. So if it continues to come down, wait until it come down and see could it find support at the 20 level for a bounce. Or if it get a bounce off at this composite value area low, then look for a setup on the bounce. And at least get it up back up to this $22 area and then up at this $24.50, $24.60 area. So those are some of the stock that I'm looking at. If you like the content in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe and also the notification icon so you won't miss any of my future video. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your trading and stay safe.